fangirl moment.
And I think a lot of people in the audience also. Ewan is going to bring Raven round. Please say hello, take your pictures. We're going to have some opportunities. Photo ops later with Raven.
This is the Hollywood star. It's Raven! And not only is Twiglet Raven in the hit Netflix series Free Rein, he's also the Duke of Hastings' horse in Bridgerton. Yeah, he's a star. He's also written by Anthony Bridgerton, and he's also in Ben-Hur. So this whore is a superstar. Come on, don't be afraid to touch this star. Give him a wee hello, give him a wave, give him a cheer as he passes by. Woo-hoo! Oh, so beautiful and so graceful. All the Free Rein fans, I want to hear you. I want to hear you shout yes. Let's go to the Absolutely amazing. Look at you know, Twiglet loves his public. He's a real professional. But back home he's a little bit of a diva. They don't mind. He'll show you his professional side. Now, Ewan being such an accomplished horseman, and Twiglet, aka Raven, being an absolute star, that's fierce pair. So, I think we should up the ante a little bit. I think it's competition time. Yeah. Alright, what I want you all to do is cheer for your favourite horse and rider. We're going to go through a few Skeletorms competitions. And as they come out, I want you to pick a duo and cheer for them. Alright everyone, they need your support. Who's first? Who's first out? Alright, so first out is Ellie and Dante! Give them a scream if you're supporting Ellie and Dante, everyone! So this is lancing of the rings. So the aim of the game is get the lance through the ring. Sounds simple, right? But you're on a horse at whatever speed. I know I can do it. Alright, if you support Ellie and Dante, let's hear you everyone! Come on! We need your support! Alright, next out is Maddie and Cruzy. Let me hear you scream, Maddie! Come on everyone! Let me hear you! Woo-hoo! Look at that pair!
Very good.
Alright, and last but very not least, it is Dune and Twiglet! Come on! I want to hear you scream for Raven! Come on everyone! Woo-hoo! Look at them! Oh, someone's getting excited over there! Alright! So as I said, the game consists they have to take their lance at speed on their horse and shove it through the ring.
They're going to take a sword and put it through the ring.
Let's see who is going to. Let's put them to the test. Alright, up first is Ellie and Dante! Come on, scream for the white horse! Come on, oh she approaches the ring. And she's caught it! Oh my god, oh! Dante giving a wee bit of kickback there. Approaching the ring and what? She's got it again! Oh my goodness, let's hear it for Ellie and Dante, everyone, she's got it! Listen guys, she didn't do this in rehearsal, so she's showing up good today. Alright, next up is Maddie and Cruzy, everyone. Okay, they need your support. So let's hear you. Let's get some energy. Alright! Maddie and Cruzy, everyone, let's go. Oh, missed that one there. Oh, she got it. And that was quite a speed there. Oh my goodness, that was impressive. Do you know what, Maddie? We'll forgive you for missing the first one. That second one is great. Right, up next is
She's gonna go fast.
Raven! Let's go, everyone! Now you two take this quite too direct.
She's gonna go very fast.
We are racing up to those rounds. Oh my goodness. Oh, we got one out too. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, up next then is Ellie and Dancy, everyone. I need to hear your support. Come on, everyone. I want to hear it for Ellie and Dancy. Oh, it's Maddie instead. Sorry, everyone. My eyesight failed me for a second. Alright, Maddie and Rosie, let's go! Woo! Brilliant! And she got them! Oh my goodness. That is incredible! And what a speed she came up there! That's amazing! Oh, Maddie and Rosie, you got this! Well done! Alright, who's up next? Are we gonna have Ellie and Dancy up this time? I think we're getting ready. Alright, everyone, let me hear some support for Ellie and Dancy. Let's go! And they're approaching the ring. Approaching the ring. And she's got it! Approaching the second ring at speed. And she's got it! Well done, Ellie and Dancy.
Yeah, they won.
Incredible! And she looks so pretty doing it too. Oh, I love it.
This is gonna be fast.
Alright. Up last is Waglet/Raven. Right. I think they're gonna be pretty good at that. I popped the ring. Pushing the ring at speed. And oh, he's got it! Oh, he got it, baby! Guys, he did it amazing! Oh, that was incredible. Okay, everyone. So, we don't quite know. So, this one is 10 pins. Now, I want to always be historically accurate and use severed heads. And then I suggested we could use paper mache heads and just stick photos of the people we don't like on them, you know. Adolf Hitler, Mussolini, my ex-boyfriend. But even let us do that either. So we're stuck with lots of gold. And that was Maddie and Rosie going up. Don't worry, guys, we'll give you a second chance. Won't leave you. Oh, apparently it was rubbish. Oh, Lord. Oh, they're not happy. Okay, she'll get a chance to redeem herself. Don't you worry, guys. Alright, I think it's Nancy up next. Can she stick the land in gold? We shall see. Come on, Dancy and Ellie. You got this. Come on, feel the music. Feel the wind of your hair, Ellie. Come on, Ellie. You got this. Can we have some support for Ellie and Dancy, please? I think that's alright, you guys will get a second chance. Don't worry. Alright. Good. Let's Waglet. Coming at speed. Oh! Of course. Alright, guys. Next round. We're gonna hopefully let Maddie and Rosie redeem themselves. Alright, so since we're horse first at Destria, Ellie's gonna follow Maddie. So we're gonna have two in the same run. Alright, let's see if they've got this together as a pair, as a partnership. Let's go! Oh, and she. Oh, she's coming! Let's hear it, everyone! Oh, so close, everyone! Oh, do you know what, Ellen? Actually, you guys are really forgetting me. Don't even worry about it. Beautiful. Right. And twinkling. Enough. Let's go. Oh! You missed it! Can you guys believe that? Oh well. I don't know if there's been some sabotage. You know. We'll do one. Okay. Lining up. Maddie and Rosie, you can try it again. Alright, let's go for it. She's going at speed. Oh, she just. But see, going at that speed, that takes courage. And I appreciate that. Alright, Ellie and Dante, are you ready? You're lining up, you're looking strong. And. Oh, so close. So close. Alright, Twiglet. Coming up. And. Ooh, and he missed it too. Oh my goodness. And you know what? Give it the best shot. Fun. Okay, so for our last, we're gonna do something. Yeah. We're gonna combine two skills, the lancing of the ring and the kicking. So what they're gonna have to do, put the lance through the ring and then have the lance in the goal. You thought it was hard enough, we're gonna make it 10 times harder. You know that's how we do it. Alright, so first up, it's Maddie and Rosie. You got this, Maddie and Rosie. You're gonna have more luck in this one. I think so. I have faith in you. Right, she's going for it. Go for the ring. And oh, she missed the ring, but can you get the gold? Oh, not quite, ladies and gentlemen. Not quite. Alright, Dante's up next. Oh, I think they're going for it, guys. I think they're going for it. Lining up for the ring. Looking good. Ooh, just missed. Oh, you know what? They got the goal. They got it. Yeah, let's take it for that. They had it. We still all have background in the medieval times. So, you know, medieval jousting. Oh. You got it. You got it, guys. You got the goal. Wow. That was nothing short of incredible.